Hello and welcome to another update video about Cronos. So it's starting to move. Yesterday, I believe it was yesterday, I said, and I can't remember in which video it was, that CRO might be one, or maybe it was even in the Sunday member live stream, that CRO might be the next coin to break out together with maybe Mana. Yeah, because some of them haven't really broken out yet. Now we see a significant move, and in the last CRO video I already showed you here the bullish wave count that at the moment we can carefully assume that the low was in here at 9.8 cents, and also now we see that. So should we really be, in the beginning of this uptrend, we will see more and more coins do the same stuff, and a lot of coins haven't broken out yet. Here CRO is the next one. I can only point out to you the ones that show some potential. CRO was one of them. That's why I showed you this wave count. There are more, they can't obviously cover thousands of coins, but just take a look at the charts and, compare them and everything. But this one here is interesting now, especially as we broke out here of this sort of here inverse head and shoulders, or however you want to call it, where we had a bit of a neckline here, ascending one at 14.4 cents, and we broke out above that. Now this literally really just only happened a few hours ago, so we had that breakout and we were waiting for that next target to be reached here, this wave 3 target. Based on the elite wave count, we could assume, and again I mentioned in the last video, that this here was the swing low, the end of the overall correction. It would work out pretty well as well, because CRO in the end, it's basically showed quite a bit of a bullish reaction to the 88.7% FIB level, that important level. It did not substantially break below it. It moved up in a 1, it came down in a 2, and we then said what now needs to happen for a bullish breakout scenario is this wave 3. That seems to be playing out now, and again it's just again proof that no, not all coins move Bitcoin. Of course there are correlations, but it is always worth analyzing each coin individually. Yeah, and I even had that yellow arrow here from the previous video, so I take that out now because it's happened. What we now need to look at is the target for this current move up. So the overall target for this yellow wave 3 would actually be the just do that. I think in the last video I might not have done it that accurately, so I have to, no, yeah, I did. I remember that. So target was 16.4 cents, and I think, I haven't rewatched the old video, but I think what I told you is that when we move up here to 16.4 cents, there is an important resistance level before that wave 3 low at 16.2 cents. So it might really be that we will end there. I think we're now on a good way to it, but there's still quite a bit of movement to be done. However, looking at the subwaves of this, normally the wave 3 would now need to be higher. Why is that the case? It's because of the subwaves of this wave 3. Of course, a wave 3 is an impulsive wave, so it also includes subwaves. And what I think we've seen here was a wave 1 of the wave 3. This here was then the wave 2 of the wave 3, quite a substantial one. And we are now here in the wave 3 of the wave 3 currently, yeah. Basically, I would need to move all of that over here. And then there will be a wave 4 of the wave 3 and a wave 5 of the wave 3. And that wave 3 target, I mean, there are two targets we can look at now for that smaller degree wave 3. The first target we've already broken, that was here at 15.1 cents. I think we just saw actually a bearish reaction to it. So it might be that this was already the wave 3 of the wave 3, the 1-to-1 ratio. But in that case, if we now retrace, it would be really good. No, we have to hold above this ascending trend line. Yeah. Or at least we should not go below 14.1 cent, below the wave 1 high. Next target, should we not retrace and just carry on going, next target would be 17.3 cents for this wave 3. Yeah, and then overall this yellow wave 3 will move higher, because this will only be complete as soon as we have wave 5 in yellow done as well here. So basically after this wave 3, there will be a wave 4 and a wave 5. So at the moment it's looking promising to maintain the bullish scenario here. We need to hold above 14.1 cent or 14.07 cents, that wave 1 high. We need to hold it. If we go below it, it will mess up the bullish count, yeah, and then it will put that into question. So should we now come down to retest either the wave 1 high or the ascending trend line, which would be good to do, yeah, just to come down for a retest, then we have a good chance to move higher. We should not retrace more than 14.07 cent. So that's currently where we are. Starting to look good for CRO. I've been waiting that it finally makes a move, because a lot of coins haven't really moved yet. There are some that have really moved nicely, but if we now see more and more altcoins move, that is definitely a good sign. And if more and more altcoins are going to reach their wave 3 targets, that will be important as well, because if they don't, then and they continue to move in what you would call a bear flag, because until we broke out, you could say, right, all that CRO did was just to move here in a bear flag. For now, we've broken out to the upside, and that is good. But yeah, again, that's why we need to hold now this ascending trend line as support. That would be the next good signal, and then the next target for the bulls is this is the target here for the wave 3 that I mentioned. All right, and that is my view about CRO Cronos. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.